Our next segment I want to talk about is organic matter. So you can see here in the last 20 years, we can see the trend of organic matter increasing, which is a great thing. Increasing organic matter is a part of also increasing your yield ultimately. Some crops are a little more sensitive on organic matter, such as soybeans. You will see through the million acres of data sets here, we're doing a better job the last 20 years with our conservation, maybe some no-till, some cover crops. This is actually adding a lot of things in the soil. We've been expressing this as microbial biology, the organisms. We're doing a better job of managing with no-till our yields. And so with this, you'll see, in 2000, our average was just a smidge over 2.5. Now, obviously, if we all lived in central Iowa, it would be a little different. But again, this is through a course of the Midwest of what we cover. But you do see that we've increased it basically at 1% over 20 years. So with that, that's definitely a big part of how we're going to apply our nitrogen, how we utilize this with our variable rate nitrogen equations. But also, again, just like on what we talked about with P and K, it's very important that we utilize our yield data along with this, even with our precipitation patterns on how we use this in our nitrogen recommendations. But this is something really interesting about how the last 20 years, how everything came to be with over 1.5 million acres, we're seeing trends. So very positive.